been looking for a job. Maria is 28 years old. She lives in a small apartment in the city. She used to work in a clothing store, but the store closed last month. Since then, Maria has been looking for a new job. Every day, Maria wakes up early. She makes coffee and turns on her computer. She has been updating her resume and writing emails. She has been checking job websites every morning. She has also been talking to friends and asking if they know about any jobs. Maria has been trying very hard. She has been learning new skills too. She started an online course in customer service. She has been studying in the evenings for 2 hours every day. Some days are difficult. She has been sending many job applications, but she has not received many replies. Still, Maria does not give up. She knows that finding a job takes time. One day, Maria gets a phone call. A hotel is looking for a receptionist. The manager says, "We received your resume. Can you come for an interview tomorrow?" Maria is very happy. She says, "Yes, thank you. I'll be there." That evening, Maria practices for the interview. She has been practicing common questions. She stands in front of the mirror and answers out loud. She has been working on her confidence. The next day, Maria wears her best clothes and goes to the hotel. The manager is friendly. He asks her many questions. Maria answers politely. She feels a little nervous, but she stays calm. She tells the manager, "I have been learning customer service skills. I have been practicing every day." After the interview, Maria goes home and waits. 2 days later, she gets an email. It says, "Congratulations. You got the job." Maria is very happy. She has been looking for a job for 1 month. Now, her hard work has paid off. Present perfect continuous. Explanation. Form. Subject plus has or have plus been plus verbing. Examples. I have been studying. She has been working. They have been waiting. When do we use it? We use the present perfect continuous to talk about an action that started in the past and is still happening now. Example. Maria has been looking for a job since last month. An action that has just stopped, but we can see the result. Example. He is tired because he has been running. How long something has been happening. Example. I have been learning English for 2 years. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks. Answers. Exercise 2. Choose the correct answer. Answers. Exercise 3. Make questions. Answers. In this lesson, we read a story about Maria. She has been looking for a job since last month. We learned how to use the present perfect continuous tense to talk about actions that started in the past and are still happening now or just finished. We also practiced making sentences and questions using has or have plus been plus verbing. You now know how to say what you have been doing, for how long, and how to describe ongoing actions. Keep practicing. You are doing a great job. See you in the next lesson.